Yeah. Oh. Say Night breeze whisper through the mountainside. Me step on the journey with a humble stride. Moon eye, stars bright, road shining light. That's when the elders say bless up Jah Light. Me dip on a bus where I crawl through the plain. Old Rasta sit down pipe smoke like rain. Him eyes them red but him mind well sane. A lifetime of wisdom stirred up in him brain. Him look on me face like him see my pain. Then chuckle soft like him know my strength. You a wanderer but not in vain. You seek truth deeper than fortune or fame. Say Jah Light when the road get rough, hold faith firm when the times get tough. Life feel hard, some smooth, some rough, but a righteous heart that alone enough. He said Jah Light trot clean, no bluff. Know when to speak, when to silence up. Every warrior learn when this time call bluff. Jah guide the steps when the path look rough. Me ask him softly, elder why you see? Him grin like sun peek through a mango tree. Me see a lion youth rising naturally. A voice for the people destined to be free. Him knock him staff 2 times on the ground. Remember this when no friend they around. Life spin fast like a record sound, but truth never hide, it always found. He whisper low like him channel ancient. Words so heavy yet still patient. Some just go till them soul vacant, but you seek like that's a higher statement. He said Jah Light when the world get dark, be the spark will ignite every hopeless heart. People will doubt, try to tear you apart, but a righteous mission always stand apart. He said Jah Light remember this part. No every man strong, no every man smart, but those who love truth, them play the big part. Them plant the seed where become mankind star. But stop sudden not a lonely bend. Elder stand up like him reach him end. Me teach your youth now, go transcend from this point on. Jah Light must defend. He hand me a pouch with a carved up sign. Say use this wisdom when you cross that line. Some hills steep, some valleys decline, but destiny yours, universal design. The night grows still but me heart beats strong. My footsteps sure even when part long. Some man chase right, some man chase wrong, but me chant life like a Rasta song. It's a light when the winds blow cold. Stand firm youth, let your courage unfold. Some stories is whisper, yours must be told. Your purpose can deeper than silver or gold. He said Jah Light take heed, behold. Every new day is a prophecy roll. You hold the truth in your heart, control. Jah who guide warriors young and old. So me walk with the pouch and the blessing tight. New dawn rising a golden light. Elder vanish into shadows of night, but his voice still echo. Go shine, Jah Light.